As urban temperatures continue to rise, cities are increasingly treating trees and shaded public spaces as essential infrastructure rather than simply elements of the landscape.
And from redesigning parks to expanding green spaces, the goal is no longer just to beautify cities, but to make them more resilient and livable. Hanoi is putting that approach into practice.
Removing park fences, reopening lakeside spaces and planting thousands of trees. These are among the ways Hanoi is redefining what urban infrastructure looks like. Rather than treating parks as destinations, the city is restoring public shade as an everyday resource that residents can freely access.
Since the fences were removed, the park has become much more open and welcoming. Many new trees have been planted, and everyone is delighted with the transformation.
Hanoi has invested significantly in parks and gardens. Removing park fences has brought people closer to these public spaces, creating greener, more welcoming environments. It demonstrates how public infrastructure can directly improve people's quality of life.
The initiative forms part of Hanoi's 100-year master plan, which places the Red River at the heart of a compact, green, and multi-centered city. Green space is set to expand to more than 16,000 hectares by 2045 and 35,000 hectares by 2065, almost half of the capital's natural land area. One of the first projects is already taking shape in Phu Thuc Ward, where a riverside port expanding nearly 20 hectares is under development.
This effort must be a continuous process from planning to construction, management and long-term operation.
In previous years, investment focused on urban infrastructure, public works, urban rail, and mass public transport. Going forward, we will continue to attract investment in digital infrastructure to help develop Hanoi into a greener, smarter city that improves people's quality of life, in line with Resolution 57.
The shift towards greener, technology-driven cities is becoming increasingly visible around the world. In Barcelona, parks provide relief where trees offer little shade. Across China, cooling stations give delivery riders and outdoor workers refuge from extreme heat. In Phoenix, one of America's hottest cities, researchers are measuring how purpose-built shade structures reduce heat exposure. The message is clear. Cooler cities are created through thoughtful planning, public investment and accessible green spaces. That is the future Hanoi is working towards, restoring public shade today while embedding greener spaces into a century-long vision for generations to come.